Next, we will write code to implement the functionalities for the user management module, which allows administrators or managers to manage all the users of the website's backend. Note that the users here are not visitors of the website. They are the person who are responsible for managing the website's information in the backend. The visitors come to the website are called customers, and we will implement the functionalities for customer management later in this course. Here's our task list in this section: code, user DAO, and unit test. Implement list users feature. Implement create user feature. Implement edit user feature, and implement delete user feature. This use case diagram represents the action that a manager or an administrator can do to manage users in the system. You see, list all users, create a user, delete a user, and edit a user.